My name is Karen Singleton, and I'm with Keller Williams Realty in Mobile, Alabama. You recently registered on my website and took a look at one or more homes in the Mobile or Eastern Shore market, and I am just following up with you to just let you know that I appreciate you registering on the site and that I'm here for you to answer any questions that you may have. I know that when people register on real estate websites, people are in various stages of their process, and some are just not ready to talk to a real estate agent. And I just want you to know that's quite all right with me. Please feel free to continue to use the website and just shoot me a quick email and let me know kind of where you are in the process. Are you just looking? Are you interested but just not quite ready to connect with a real estate agent at this time? Or are you someone who is actively in the market to purchase a home and need to make contact with an agent to help them? Just to give you a brief biography, I guess, I'm from this area. I grew up here and have been in the real estate business as a full-time agent for over 13 years. So when it's time to connect with a real estate agent, I just would love the opportunity to be your agent of choice. So also, I wanted you to know that if you are a first-time home buyer, please make contact with me either through email, text, or give me a phone call, because I've got a wonderful first-time home buyers booklet that I think offers you a wealth of information as far as the process of purchasing a home. It of course starts out with things that you should do before we ever get to the point of looking at homes, and it will help you to understand how the process works and to talk to you a little bit about some things that you should do in advance, so that when we do get to the point of looking at homes, you're ready and the process will be very smooth and easy for you. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you at some point in the future, and have a great day.